Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and this is a 2026 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. This particular boat is powered by the Merc 150. You see at the back, we've got our aft seating package. Our backrests slide out of place, and those are rod holders. So if you needed extra storage for rods or when we're doing a fishing day, keep the cushions stored underneath and use those as rod holders. Underneath the seats is bilge access. We've got cup holders back here. And also one important feature to point out, below the seats, you see our overboard drains, our scuppers, which is a really cool feature to have on this boat. We've got the full rail setup. So we've got our low profile rails, stern and forward, as well as our standard height rails. Here at the helm, it's a reversible leaning post. So it's seated in this position. Just lift, slide forward if you either want it to face backwards or stand up and lean. We've also got some storage underneath the seat. On the helm itself, we've got our Simrad multifunction display. We've got a Simrad VHF radio and our gauges and switches, 4 cup holders, 2 next to the throttle, 2 up on the dash, our compass, and a 12-volt power adapter. On the port side of this helm is the battery access, battery switch, and some dry storage. And up above me is the bimini top that comes on this boat. Really large bimini top, provides tons of coverage if you're either seated there or up here on the cooler seat. This boat does have the fishing package, so we've got some tackle storage on the starboard side of the helm, as well as our backrest with rod holders and the upgraded Yeti cooler. At the very bow, we've got cup holders built in front of the cushions, and we've got 2-part cushions, so these will fold in half, easier to store. Underneath this rear cushion is our fish box, and then up in front is our anchor storage locker. Again, you'll see the nice high bow rails. We've got the low bow rails in, and this is a great lounging platform or a great working deck if you're out fishing. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook and check it out.